Attention, please. For your safety. Safety. De sus cohetes y vigilen a sus niños.
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Alien Swirling Saucers in Toy Story Land at Disney's Hollywood Studios. This is a super fun, chill ride, and since it's not brand new anymore, the wait times have dropped substantially, so you guys definitely gotta give it a shot. If you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and comment. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.